Aloha, my name is Nick Gruen. I'm a commercial photographer and drone operator based out of beautiful Hawaii. I've been shooting with Sony equipment for over 12 years now and worked with a wide variety of companies and clients. A lot of my work revolves around the great outdoors, and it wasn't until a serious injury shooting surf out at Bonsai Pipeline that got me more into flying drones professionally. At the time, I felt pretty limited with the capabilities and quality of drones on the market. I felt like they were missing some pretty critical features. That's why I was extremely excited when I saw Sony's Airpeak S1 was being released. The opportunity that I could put the same equipment I shoot with on the ground in the sky was a dream come true. I put this drone to the test for the last 6 months, and I'm super excited to showcase the Airpeak around my home and bring you along to see why I think this is one of the best options currently on the market. These are some of the reasons I choose to shoot with the Sony Airpeak. Let's dive into it. The first point I wanted to go over, production sizes are minimal and everything I need for the job can fit in just one case. I'm able to travel light and do all the work that would have taken multiple people to do before. Not to mention I'm flying a camera with a full frame sensor, 10-bit color, and even 8K with the Alpha lineup or Sony's FX3. This brings me to another crucial feature on the Airpeak, which is its lens options and compression capabilities. I'm able to get more dynamic shots for clients with a variety of lenses to choose from. To demonstrate the different looks that can be achieved, I repeated the same shot with 4 different lenses to showcase its capabilities. Let's start with a super wide 14mm, the ultra compact 24, the nifty 50, and even as you can see here, the 85 with that crazy compression. Kinda nuts to think that all this is capable from a drone. In addition to video, the photo specs are super impressive, especially with the ability to shoot 60 megapixel stills. Those are files large enough to be displayed in Times Square. Flying in the elements has its challenges, and the Airpeak really can hold up to them. The Sony engineering team is working to provide a better drone experience, and they are always listening for ways to improve the Airpeak. I also think it's important to note that the Airpeak is a platform that will continually be updated and upgraded with new exciting features. I look forward to pushing the limits in the drone industry, and I know that the Airpeak S1 will help me get there. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the sky.